Hello there guys, and in this tutorial I just wanted to talk to you about time and time zones, and I just want to have a quick word on time in Linux. And I wanted to say that incorrect time can cause web browser issues, and you'll get an error which says issues with certificate or something, certificate expired or something like that. And basically, if that happens, you can look, is your system time accurate? And by system time, I mean the time on your computer. Is it accurate? Now, many distributions support using the NTP, which is the Network Time Protocol daemon. And again, daemons are the programs without any user interface to maintain the time using the remote server. So basically, you run this NTP, which is Network Time Protocol daemon, and it maintains the time using a remote server. You can mangle with time zones if you really want, and I think that Google will give you the answers if you want to mangle with those. But my advice would be, don't mangle with time and time zones if you don't really need to. I never had to. The only reason why I'm telling you this is because I actually encountered these issues with internet certificates on a Windows machine, but I never had any issues so far on my Linux machine. Okay, so I'm just throwing it out there. If you ever get some errors, for example, like certificate expired or issue with the certificate expired or something of that nature, then I think that you should look into, is your system time correct? Okay, and again, don't mangle. Basically, if it works, don't touch it. Right? If it works, why would you mangle around with that? I mean, there are some people who are genuinely curious, and personally, I'm not really that person, right? I mean, it actually depends on the thing, right? For artificial intelligence, I'm ultra curious, and everything related to it, I'm really curious. But for using my operating system, and do I really need to know everything about time zones if it's all working correctly? And I think that the answer is not really. Okay, so that would be the same advice I would have for you. Don't mangle with it unless you really need to. And yeah, this is it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something useful, and I will see you in the next one.